Later, from behind усмивка. Усмивка. Smile. Усмивка. Hello everyone, I'm Dimi. Здравейте. Здравейте. Hello. Здравейте. Аз съм Дими. Здравейте. Аз съм Дими. Приятно ми е да се запознаем. Приятно ми е да се запознаем. Nice to meet you. Приятно ми е да се запознаем. The idea in my classes is to get inspired and to learn. I think when you enjoy doing something, when you have fun, it's much easier to remember the things. And if we add to that a little bit of inspiration, I believe the results will be great. Samples of my lessons you can find in the description link below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day, and don't forget the magical word усмивка. Smile.